Make money while you sleep. Ever imagined your money earning cash while you catch some Z's? Let's unlock that secret today. Welcome to DollarWise. Today, we reveal 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Get ready. Passive income means earning without constant effort after setup, freeing your time and boosting your cash flow. Ready to dive deep? Real, proven ideas await, and practical steps to get you rolling fast. Stick around till the end. You'll choose the best passive income idea that fits your unique lifestyle. Idea 1. Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses can boost your income big time. AI tools plus global buyers in 2025 make selling digital products easier and more profitable than ever. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and PayHip are your marketplaces where your digital creations reach eager buyers. A simple Excel budget tracker template is an example that sells daily, small product, big impact. No design skills? No problem. Use Canva and ChatGPT to create stunning digital products fast and easy. Pricing is key. Keep your digital products between $5 and $29 to attract steady buyers. Make your digital product once, then watch it earn for you forever. That's the magic of passive income. Bonus tip: bundle your products to boost value and double your chances of making sales. Cash in with dividend stocks and affiliate. Ready to get paid just for holding stocks? Dividend stocks reward you quarterly. It's like cash for loyalty. Dividends? Think of it as your slice of a company's profits paid directly to you. Sweet, right? Looking for reliable dividends? Coca-Cola, Apple, and Realty Income are stars that pay you consistently. Getting started is a breeze with apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab, all at your fingertips. Think $100 is too little to start? Think again. You can begin building your dividend empire with just $100. Want your money to multiply? Use DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan, and watch your earnings compound like magic. The best part? Your passive income grows over time, just like a money tree in your backyard. Now, switch gears. Affiliate marketing lets you earn by simply recommending products you love. Dive into affiliate programs on Amazon, ShareASale, or ClickBank, platforms packed with earning potential. Create content that sells blogs, videos, or reels. Even faceless channels can rake in serious cash. The cool part? You earn even if buyers come back and purchase 24 hours later. Cha-ching all day. Want the best returns? Focus on niches like tech, finance, and fitness. They convert like crazy. Keep it transparent. Add clear disclosure notes. Building trust means building long-term income. Want to scale fast? Use email drip campaigns or faceless YouTube automation to multiply your earnings. Digital assets and faceless YouTube. Ready to earn while you sleep? Renting digital assets like websites and domains can fill your pockets effortlessly. Domains, websites, even newsletters aren't just content. They're cash machines waiting to be rented out monthly. List your assets on platforms like Flippa, Newsletter Crew, and Motion Invest, where buyers are actively hunting earners like you. Imagine earning $200 to $500 every month without lifting a finger. Digital assets make that possible and repeatable. Why stop there? Rent ad space within your newsletter and watch brands pay you while your subscribers stay engaged. Think bigger. Your websites and newsletters are the digital skyscrapers of 2025's real estate market. Want to keep your face off camera but still earn? Starting a faceless YouTube channel is your golden ticket. Nail your niche. Whether it's finance, tech, storytelling, or motivation, pick what excites you most. Master your workflow with ChatGPT for scripts, Steve.ai for animation, and CapCut to polish. Zero camera needed. Monetize smartly with YouTube ads, affiliate links, and memberships that keep the cash flowing your way. Even posting just one video per week with good CPM can land you over $500 a month. Easy hustle, big payoff. Out of these 5 passive income hacks, Which one's grabbing your attention to start first? Loved this? Hit subscribe and join the DollarWise crew. Drop a comment below with your winning idea. Let's grow smarter.